Hello, everyone. This is Resilience Coach Jean Morrison with DIY Resilience, and this is Resilience Time. It's time to get ready for a healthy dose of brain rest. You need brain rest to support your DIY self-care plan. About 17 minutes of rest for every 52 minutes you work for optimum performance. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new DIY resilience tips, trainings, updates, and live events. Now, I invite you to lay down or sit comfortably and take up as much space as possible. Send a message to your brain that you matter. Close your eyes or focus on your screen and breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Invite your focus beyond what supports you. What do you see? Breathe and invite your courage to glance at what lays ahead. Allow your future self, your surroundings, your people, places, and things to come more fully into view. What do you see there in all the details? Are you moving or staying in place? Are you in front of a mirror, a large audience, a video camera, a garden, many animals in a land far away? You might breathe and allow the fullness of this life to come into your body-mind. Interact with it, play and dance, and sing the details into your heart and mind. How does your heart receive these wondrous dreams? Is there concern about what can and cannot be achieved? You might invite yourself beyond all fear of change and simply send your beautiful dream out into the universe. Your life will unfold. Your dreams will unfold. You will apply your knowledge and meet your needs. And you will ask for and receive help when you need answers. It is wise to receive help and to find answers to things not known. You will go at your own pace, and having dared to dream, walked through your path and arrive as if suddenly and by magic at your destination. You may look back and realize there was no need for worry, only a need to breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now you can deepen your brain rest into a deeper natural contemplation, or get back to the rest of your day. Remember to stop and label emotions, look and define them, then go and return to rest as soon as possible. Breathe and be DIY resilient as you creatively resolve all your daily challenges, big and small, with your support team. After all, no one does resilience alone. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, isolated, and in need of a fresh start, join our private Resilient Connection group. The link is in the video description below. I'll see you in the room.